Morning, this is Spy Money. Last night I run Stiller and it made 12.55 last night. It's in a trade right now. I'm just going to let it play out, let you watch it. This is on my virtual machine. I run a virtual server to run the bots normally. It helps out a lot. Less downtime and so forth. My goal is to make $2,000 a day, and that'll let me pass the evaluation for the 300,000 account, which is what I have on here now. It's Apex 300,000. You have a 7,500 drawdown. And anytime you want, you can reach over here and click the close all button. It'll close it. You can also move your stop down if you wanted. So you can grab this, you can put it down there if you wanted. I'm just going to let it run with the bot. This chart trader does nothing while you have it enabled. I just want people to be able to see that it is the funded account. Normally I come up here and I will click on this and just make it hidden because we don't need that. It's not important. That I'll leave it on just for this information. Again, anytime you want, if it goes down, it's kind of close, you can always move your profit targets up, let it take the profit. You can bring your stops down. You're in full control. This is showing our account. On that first trade, I did not have the commissions set up on this account because it's a new account, so I forgot it. So the commissions are a little bit more than what it shows, only because the first trade that entered, I never had the commissions turned on. So hopefully we can get a little short here and take profit. If we do, I'll probably go ahead and pause this bot. I'm going to run super trend at the open. So whenever I run the super trend, I can't have this bot running at the same time because it's on the same instrument and the same account. You can run as many bots as you like. You just can't run more than one bot on the same instrument with the same account. If you have 3 accounts, you can run 3 NQs and 3 bots, one on each additional account. But if you're going to run it on one account, you can only run one instrument at a time. The bots will interfere with each other because one might be going short, one might be going long. The market's moving really slow tonight. It's been hard to trade during the morning hours. London's usually a little bit quicker than what it is. It's steady. It's been choppy. You see here, it's just not been the best. It's just been real choppy. All up and down here. There's no real defined direction. Hopefully we can get some short on this and get our targets. It looks like probably right along around the 65 is probably about where we'll be. We should get this filled if it doesn't stop out first. This super trend is just a trail stop. That's all it's doing. These stops will follow it. Almost got stopped out there too. No, we never. Right now is probably a good time to bring that stop down to break even because we're double bottoming here. I'm just going to let the bot run though. There's our first target. We come down a little more, then we're going to get a break even. So that trade made us 291.84. We are now realized profit of 1542. We can take profit anytime we want. If we don't feel this is going to keep going, we can take profit. I'm going to change the settings on this to where the break even, as soon as this takes profit, I want the break even in there. So right now we would have a break even would have actually engaged. There's a chance it may lose money here. The best thing to do is, and I didn't want to touch it because I'm just letting the bot run, but the best thing to do is to move the stop down here when it took profit, just bring it down. And usually when it hits this target, you'll get just a little pullback and then it will drop. If it keeps on pulling back, it's usually going in a reversal. But we'll see what it does here. We may get another sell-off right here and it just come right on down and take it out. Based on the leg of this, it looks like it should come down to right on through here. Now we're coming down. Good little trade here, especially with the market being so slow. Stiller ended up taking the trade, and it's already up 291.84 realized. It's up another $300 almost in the second one, the other two. And the way this works, we've taken two profits here. We've got one here, and then we'll have a runner. So the runner will be stopped out off of the stop only. So in this particular case, if I'd had that break even engaged quicker, it would have made less money. We get down about halfway here, the break even will come in. Still, best thing I think is to bring the break even down when you hit the first target. First target break even should be there. And if you wanted, you can grab the stop, you can move it down. So now we've got almost a break even. There's our break even. So now we're up 1892.76 unrealized. We are up 1542 realized. Trading this on a live account, my stop would, when this brought down, I would have put my stop to the first target. I would have been stopped out right there, but then that would have been 4 targets right off the bat. This may play out and be a better way, but I'm just telling you what I would have done. I'm about to scalp. I want to just secure my profits. I don't have to have it all. There we go. So now we have taken our second target. Now we're up 1785.72. We've still got one in play. This one is considered a lottery, this way I look at it. We're not necessarily looking to have all the money on it, but we would like it. So this trade, we're at 532.76 plus the 255 on the runner. So if this would start going down, then we could get our super trend will start coming down and catch up. And if it drops fast, then this will come fast with it. The more it drops, the quicker the super trend will come with it. And if you notice, the super trend will get closer to these candles as it comes down. So it will be like a V shape coming down. So right there with it hitting that, I would prefer to have my stop down here right now. So we're going down now. This one is up $355. Bot has been untouched. We have already met our goal. So the $2,000 is our goal per day on this account. We are about where it would have been. So right now is a good time that you bring your stop down secured. Again, I'm waiting the bot to run. I am going to bring my stop down to right there. I want to secure this profit. I don't want to let it go on up. If we go up and hit that, then that will be a good amount of profit. So on this one, we would be from there to there is $250 per contract. So that would give us the $500. We want to be able to secure our profit and hit our daily goal. If it hits it and then drops, that's fine. I just want to secure the profit. It could easily go ahead and just keep right on going up, and I don't want to give up that profit. There we go. So we're at $2,008.68 running the bot. Our goal is $20,000 over 10 days. So right now we have met our goal for the day. So at this point, you could turn it off if you want. I'm going to let it run a little bit longer and see if we can make a little more money with it today. So, and to talk about this morning, there was an error on the trade, and when it entered the trade, the price moved back on the bar and it shut the bot off. So I ran this bot last night and it made the 12.55, I think it was. Let me find it here. And I'll post a screenshot of it right here, and I'll show what it did on that. So this is the gross amount last night. So I'm going to bring this one over, and then I'm going to show you this one is where it errored out at 4:14 Eastern time this morning, and it just showed where it submitted an order and then it canceled out because the price moved back on the stop too quick. So then it shut it off. The one good part about it is in the setup, I show how to set up the strategy. See there how it went right on up? That would just be giving away that money. We could have taken the money down here, but I'm willing to give up this a little bit, but not all of that. But the bots will shut themselves off if there's an error or whichever. They'll shut off and close out the trades and so forth. In the setup instructions, I teach how to set up NinjaTrader for it to do that, so that you shouldn't have any issues. So that is the one trade that I got to show you. Again, it's a live account. If this is on a live Apex account, it's a reading and evaluation, and I'm just trying to show you how you can use this particular bot to do that. I have some other bots, and I'm going to run those as well. I'll go ahead and make videos of them and show you what it's done. But right now we're up $2,008.68 running the bot. Stay tuned for more updates. Oh, and if you want to lease this bot, you go to my website. I'll show you that real quick before I dismiss this. You go up here, you click on SpyBot Auto Trading Bot. You come all the way down, you read all that information. It tells you a lot about what's going on. There's some different trades that we've got in here. And then down here is your monthly fee. And as you can see, based off from this right here, you know, that's 1 day. That's not even a full day. That's only not even half a session. So you can make decent with it. Yes, it does take losing trades, but for the most part, it comes out green at the end of the day usually. And if you want to contact me, just go here, click on contact, put your information in. If you need to discuss with me the bots before you lease it, just put your phone number in the message. Be more than happy to call you and talk to you. I stay busy during the day, and it's only certain times I can talk, but just put what's best for you. If I can, I'll talk to you then. We also have a Discord. If you come up here to this blue button, it's free. Check that for your disclaimer, start your membership, and it'll take you to our server. You're welcome to join us. And as long as you act right, you stay. There's no fee, none of that, so it's all free. Let me know if I can help you.